Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Audi Q6 E-Tron. First, locate the charging port on your vehicle, usually found on the rear fender. Next, understand the two main types of charging, AC or Level 2 for home and public stations, and DC fast charging for quicker top-ups. Finally, prepare your charging cable, ensuring it's clean and undamaged before connecting. For AC charging, which is common at home or public stations, begin by firmly plugging the Type 2 connector into your Audi Q6 e-tron's charging port. Once connected, activate the charging station if it requires a card or app. You'll then see indicator lights on your vehicle confirming that charging has successfully started. This method is ideal for overnight charging. When you need a quick charge, DC fast charging is your best option. Use a CCS Combo 2 connector, which is designed for higher power delivery. Before starting, confirm the station's power output, as many offer 150 kilowatts or more for rapid charging. Always wait for the charging session to conclude before safely disconnecting the cable from your vehicle. To maximize battery life and efficiency, it's generally best to charge your Audi Q6 e-tron to about 80% for everyday driving. For longer trips, strategically plan your route to include convenient charging stops along the way. Remember, consistent charging habits contribute to overall battery health. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.